The next station is Shibuya.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Ricky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I get hella flea. Keep it P. Never needed you, but you needed me.
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
We're gonna get right into slicking this hair down for this ponytail from Curlsqueen. Don't y'all hate when the water is cold and then it starts to go down your neck and back and it's just, ugh. I had to shake it off. Very uncomfortable. But anyways, I'm about to start brushing down this hair using the edge control. And I'm using clips after I slick the hair down. Look, we just gonna embrace the waves, okay? Now, doing your hair in sections, it still makes it a lot easier for you to smooth your hair down even if the waves is there. It prevents ripples and your hair sticking out and it being bumpy when you're trying to put your hair in a ponytail. Currently applying more edge control and water and doing my edges. Now, what helps for my bun not to be too bulky, I split it into 2 sections and then I twist it up and wrap it around. Shortly, I'll be applying the curly drawstring ponytail. I literally had to stop and tell y'all how good this ponytail looks. I did not have any plans on doing that, but you'll see. Okay, I didn't have any plans on talking during this video, but I just had to say that this is the best curly hair weave wig that honestly I ever received straight out of the box. For the sake of this video, and just in case if you really just needed to throw a wig on, you will be able to do that because the curls look so natural and soft. Like, this is the most realistic ponytail wig that I have ever seen. Literally wear this straight out of the box for real. And you know how when you first get weave or wigs, like the curls look kind of fake. You have to wash them just to bring the curls out for it to look more natural. Well, you wouldn't have to do that. Like, this is for real straight out the box, y'all. I'm about to put it on. Like, I will be washing it after, and just imagine how it will look after you wash it and apply your products to it. If it already looks like this. It comes with 2 combs at the top and the bottom and a drawstring, and you literally just slide the top comb where the ponytail starts and you slide the bottom underneath the ponytail, and you just make sure the opening of the ponytail is covering your bun, and then you pull the drawstring to tighten it. And that's it. It's secured, the ponytail not going nowhere. And then you wrap the drawstring around the ponytail, and then you can also wrap a piece of hair around it. But honestly, you wouldn't have to do that either because you can't see it. The curls already look so pretty, but I'm just spraying some water and separating them a little bit. A ponytail wig just gonna do it every time, especially this one. But now I'm about to style it and put it in a bun. This style is really cute too, but I'm excited to wear it in a high ponytail or a high bun, you know, just to play around and see what other styles I can do. But this ponytail is definitely worth the purchase. Y'all need to go ahead and get you one. Thank y'all for watching. See you next time.